What's up, y'all? I'm out here in Detroit checking on many of my properties today. This one right here, this the one that keep your guy up at night, all right? Now, albeit, when we're done with it, okay, it's a 40-unit apartment building. This side over here, we had some tenant turnover, had to reposition it, okay, but it's effectively already rented out. This side, we're finishing up what started out as a $700,000 renovation that quickly turned into a $1 million renovation, right? We ran over significantly, particularly because at the time in which we started the project, it was, during late 2021, there was a shortage, right? It took us 9 months just to get our main service for our electrical stuff, right? 9 months, imagine that, before we could even get power to the building. And so those types of delays and, the shortage of material, the shortage of labor, all those costs, right? We had planned for a cost overrun, but not to the tune of north of 20%. And so this is the one to keep your man up at night, but the bigger the risk, the bigger reward, right? At the end of it, we get to a point where we paid just under $1 million for the building, put $1 million into it, all in at basically $2 million. It'll still be worth $2.6, $2.7. On top of that, bringing in $380,000 gross, we'll net about $190 on that. So, it ain't the end of the world, right? These are what they call rich people problems for sure. But I just want y'all to understand that it does come with problems nonetheless. Like, we can't get caught up on the hype and not realize the work that goes into it. And there will be issues, and you need to be able to speak to those issues and galvanize the team and pull in resources and all those things. Anything that possibly could have happened has happened, okay? But at the very same time, this is why it starts with education as your foundation, because there's gonna be so much nuance that you can't control. You at least need to control the controllables, right? We did a good job at evaluating the project. We understand the market, what the demands are, what the rents are. And so it's gonna be a profitable deal at the end of it. But it's just the process getting to that and being able to navigate and mitigate in and around all the various risk points. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all take a peek into some of my portfolio today and leave a comment below, right? I stopped doing a lot of in the field stuff just because I've been busy and I do this stuff remotely, and so I haven't been forced to be in the field. But if this kind of content helps you guys to get more perspective, leave a comment below or questions, and I'd love to bring more of it.